To remove the manifold is pretty easy, right? Once your broken ass exhaust stack is off, right? 1, 2, 3, these 4 bolts, the 2 on the side, you remove this bad boy, place it on the side, look at that nice sunset, and then these are all 12mm bolts, all 12, all around, easy to do. We got them all off, and then just slide your exhaust manifold right on out. There we go, look at that, bam. Here's your gasket. We can leave that there. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro, look at that nice sunset, look at that sky. This it's gonna be fun. Look at that nice day, huh?